Welcome to another session of Sustainable Engineering, MCN 201, Module 4, Lecture 3, and it's part 3. Myself, Rahul Anar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNIT, Adur. We are going to discuss about biofuels, another form of non-conventional sources of energy. Okay, in this lecture, we are going to discuss about the introduction to biofuels, how biofuels are produced, what are the advantages and disadvantages of biofuel, what are the type of biofuels available, what are the future scopes of biofuels, how the biofuels are sustainable to environmental and to human beings. So these are the summary of the lecture. Let's start the lecture. Okay, what is biofuels? Biofuels are the fuels derived immediately from living matters. So definition for biofuels is the fuel which we can obtain from living matters are known as biofuels. The type of biofuels. Mainly there are three types of biofuels are there. First one is first generation biofuels, second one is second generation biofuels, and third one is third generation biofuels. These are the main type of biofuels available to us. What is first generation biofuels? They are made from starch, sugars, or vegetable oils. The biofuels which are produced from starch, sugars and vegetables oils are known as first generation biofuels. They are not sustainable or green. They are not pure green biofuels. If used in large quantity, they could damage the food supplies. Generation biofuels are not generally obtained from food crops, not suitable for human consumptions. They are not used for human consumptions, produced differently in first generation biofuels. They are produced differently from first generation biofuels are known as second generation biofuels. Coming to the third generation biofuels, they are made from algae, capable of higher yield with lower resource input. Fuels like gas oil are derived from algae, example gas oil, ethanols and jet fuels. These are the third generation biofuels. They are made from algae. They are capable of high yield. This is the combined pictorial or flowchart of biofuels. First generation biofuels are there, second generation are there, third generation is there. How the process is going on? Some are milled or grind, then pre-treat, hydrolysis, then come to sugar solutions. Finally, it will go to fermentations, then distillation, then ethanols, then bioethanols are produced. If they are still after distillation, it will dry and make waste waters or treat. If they are going directly to butanol from fermentations, they will produce butanol. What is the need of biofuels? Why the biofuels are needed? Biofuels have the same variety of applications as fossil fuels have. Fossil fuels, when we come to fossil fuels are used for wide varieties. Biofuels are the alternate solution for these fossil fuels, electricity, gas, oils, for consumption energy. Like that, these biofuels are also used for electricity, for gas, for oils, etc. Applications of biofuels used in home for cooking and heating. Methane is used to generate energies. Biodiesel is a clean fuel substituent. biohydrogen is used in rockets. It is a solution for global energy crisis, biofuels. Hydrogen cars convert the hydrogen to electricity. They offer eco-friendly green drivings as compared to fossil fuel cars. Only byproducts are heat and water. To reduce global warming drastically, these biofuels can be used. Advantages of biofuels. Good for environment as it do not harmful byproducts. They do not have any harmful byproducts. They are good for the environment. It is renewable, available in quantities need unlike fossil fuels. Easy source manures crop waste. Disadvantages of biofuel. Fertilizers. Using of fertilizers in crops which will have affect the human beings and the environment. And the cost. The cost of the biofuels is basically high. We are looking into the global world energy consumptions. Importance of these biofuels, it is increasing day by day. In 2000, the consumption of biofuels is below the 100. When it comes to 2020, it's more than 100 per year. It's joules per year. Are biofuels an environmental solution or for an environmental problems? Is it a solution? Yes. Yes, it's a solution. It is an alternate for fossil fuels, so it produces an eco-friendly sources or energy resource. So it is an alternate solution for this conventional source of energies. Thank you all. Thank you for hearing this lecture. We'll meet soon in another lecture with another topic. Still then, it's me, Rahul.